So hello and welcome guys, my name is Vijay and you're watching Vijay the Wanderer YouTube channel. So in this video I will be giving 10 free simple LUT files for your Adobe Premiere Pro that can color grade your videos very easily. So without wasting any time, let's see these files first and let's start. So let me tell you about that file. I have put a secret password in it, so the password will be revealed at the end of this video. So the first thing you're going to do is to head over to the Adobe Premiere Pro. After opening Adobe Premiere Pro, head over to the effects panel located at the left hand side and type in Lumetri color. So as you are seeing, Lumetri color has just appeared. Drag and drop that effect to your video, and from here select the effect panel and head over to the Lumetri color. After that, you can either load it from here or from the creative option. So I'm going to use it from the creative because it gives me freedom to play with the intensity of the LUT. If the LUT is more, then I can just control it. So after that, click on browse. And then after, go to that folder where you have downloaded the LUTs file and click on one of the LUTs. So after clicking, it will look like this. So if you are thinking the color is too much, you can control it from the creative that I just told you guys. So the password for the file is L090. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press that bell notification icon so that you never miss any update from